Before starting my company, I was leading a development team for cooling devices. My wife often told me, when she saw how much I enjoyed this field, that I was foolish for not starting my own company. In 1990, Slovenia became independent. The institute where I was working was the first in line to be shut down. Then we tried to make some cooling devices at home. That was really the best option for me to stay here and expand this. Well, here you can see basically a completely new and partially renovated building. As I mentioned, we expanded as part of the complete construction of this new building, and it was beneficial for us primarily for development work. After that, we also had part of the production in this space. We rearranged this small space to look approximately like it does now, and it was intended for preparation after production, mainly in the field of electrical engineering. This space was really just the beginning. A few years later, when we had already expanded a bit, this space became like a laboratory for basic measurements. Then we set up this modular laboratory. It has insulated walls, and we equipped it with air conditioning units.
This space used to be a chicken farm. When we started this activity, everything slowly expanded, and there were a few people working here at the time.
Here you can see the stairs leading to the attic. This incline made our transport route a bit complicated because there was no other option but to go up these stairs.